How to create certificate on Levelup LMS. In this video, we will learn how you can create a custom certificate on Levelup. These certificates are automatically awarded to learners when they complete the course. To create a certificate, you will need to make sure that you have a course created. Check out our tutorial to learn how you can create a course. Here we would learn how you can get a certificate. Here are the steps that you should follow. Log into your admin account. Click on the Settings on the top of the page, on the side panel. On the drop-down that opens, click on Theme. You will be redirected to the theme page. Scroll down the page to the certificate section. In this section, you will get two tabs. One, where you can edit the template, and the other, where you can create your own design. If you click on the Edit Template tab, you can add a custom message to the certificate. Edit the box under Certificate Contents section. Once you are done, click on Save and Publish. If you can click on Create Own Certificate, you can edit the 4 different lines of text on the certificate in their respective fields. You can also rearrange them if necessary. Please note that the following fields are filled in automatically. 1. Name of the candidate username. 2. Course title. 3. Date of issue. 4. Certificate ID. You can also edit other aspects of the certificate as well. You can set the background color from the presets or add your own customer color. You can also add your own border. You can also upload your own background image. Simply click on the +Edit button and upload the image from your computer. Once you are satisfied, you can click on Save and Publish. This is how easy it is to get things done on Levelup. Check out our videos to know how you can use the platform and its various features. Don't forget to like and subscribe to get the latest videos from Levelup.